Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a good day. So today's short video on how to have blank widgets on your iPhone. So you're going to download this app, MD Blank, search that on the App Store. Be quick before it goes off the App Store because Apple are likely to remove it. So what you do, you add your home screen here on the add a picture bit after you've screenshotted a blank page. I'll demonstrate all this in a second. I'm just going through the tutorial on the app. So you screenshot the home page in light and dark mode if you have that selected. I do not, so I just use the same screenshot. You set the screenshot, you edit widget, and then boom, it's on your home screen. So let's take the screenshot now. We have the picture in here. That is the picture of my home screen. It's already done for me because I did it before. Then you add in the widget here. So let's add this widget. And bam, it is in, and as you can see, it is a blank widget on my home screen, and you can have the apps wherever you want around that. So get this app before you can't, because this is likely to get deleted off the App Store because of the blank name of the app. So as you can see, there is more widgets on my screen, and you can move it across to the left and you can see it's still a widget and it's not fake. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe.